Bienvenidos sean todos nuevamente. Today we are gonna make chuchitos. Chuchitos are a traditional Guatemalan dish that is made with instant corn flour, some sauce that we call recado, and chicken. You can also make it with pork if that's your preference, but traditionally they are made with chicken. Chuchitos means little doggies. Wait. No, I promise you that today in this recipe we are not gonna hurt any puppies. This is Cooking with Hilda and let's make some chuchitos. To make this delicious traditional Guatemalan dish, you will need instant corn flour. And you can see the recipe on your screen and you can follow that. I also made recado. This recado is made with tomatoes, onions, spices, and some dried chiles. The process to make it is very simple. You cook the tomatoes, onion and garlic until very soft, and then you put the chiles, the dried chiles, to soak around 2 hours up to overnight, and then you clean it, take the seeds and little veins out, and after that you blend them perfectly in your blender until perfectly smooth and silky. I like to add to my recado a little piece of achiote paste. This paste is gonna give it this intense red color that is very beautiful to see. You will also need some pre-cooked chicken. I use chicken breast, but you can use whatever part of the chicken you like. It doesn't matter really. You will also need some corn husk to wrap the chuchito and to make it like a little present. So let's start making these amazing Guatemala puppies. No. In the middle of the corn husk, throw a spoon of dough and make a little indentation that you cover with some recado and fill on top with some chicken. Try use couple pieces of chicken per chuchito because it's nice to have a nice bite of meat inside. And then I just do this and cook them, stand up like that to ensure that the filling doesn't go out of the corn husk. Just like that. Show you guys again. You put a little dough on the middle, then a little sauce, making like a little indentation, and then chicken in the middle, as much chicken as you want. And then I do this, folded like this. These chuchitos, you can serve them at a baby shower, any party or birthday parties. They're amazing, delicious, and I guarantee everybody in your party is gonna be so happy to try them, especially that you made them for them. I'm gonna go ahead and finish wrapping all these amazing chuchitos and show you guys how they look at the end. And the chuchitos are ready. It actually took just around 45 minutes to be ready because this was a small batch. I want you guys to see how to open them. It's very easy, and then you can, because this is gonna be for me, I'm gonna touch it with my fingers. Traditional Guatemalan chichitos are a little more thicker because of the kind of husk that is available there. These are more like little tamalitos, but they're delicious and it's the same process and ingredients. To decorate the chuchitos, I like to add some spicy sauce on top. I also add this cream on top of it. You can use sour cream. And there you go, traditional Guatemalan chuchitos. So I hope you enjoyed this video and find value in it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time here, Cooking with Hilda.